let's do a PR unboxing slash a couple orders of makeup and stuff. I got this box from Function of Beauty. They sent a couple of their hair care products. We've got a shampoo, conditioner, and then a leave-in treatment. And the interesting thing about these is that it's like supposed to be custom or something. I need to read up on it some more, but it came with the pumps and such. But I'm excited to try these. Thank you so much, Function of Beauty. It says, meet the formula you made, Function of Beauty. Thank you. Next, I don't know if you saw the video. I posted a couple videos already. I received the Urban Decay, the new foundation that they just launched. I already kind of unboxed it, so this is the cute little container that it came in. In the container, obviously, it had the new Face Bond foundation, which is really cool that you don't need a setting powder for this one. So I did a whole other video on that one I'll be posting. It also came with the wonderful, amazing all-nighter setting spray. Love, love, love this. And I needed a new one anyway because mine is almost empty. Cute little spongy. You can see I've already been using it, but it's got the UD on it there. And then some little hair clips. Cute. Love it. A perfume box from Dossier. I've been reviewing perfumes for them for, geez, I don't know, about 6 months now, something like that. And usually they send me 2 perfumes to try per month. This time they sent one of their originals. So Dossier does a lot of dupe perfumes, but they also do some where they make, you know, they have their own scents as well. One of them that we're going to be trying is the powdery coconut. We have the fruity almond scent. Let me know if any of this sounds intriguing to you. The original scent that they wanted me to try, you can see their Dossier Originals, Unique Blends, Happy Sniffing. And I think this one is supposed to be like a gender neutral scent, smell. It's Oud and Rose on Fire. Oud and Rose on Fire. Excited to try that. Now on to the orders. I had one order from Boss Up Cosmetics. I got the new Boss Balm Black Lip and Cheek color. I always love to support small brands. Whoa, look at it. There it is. So fun. Oh, there's a bug in my face. Oh my God. Look at it. So fun. I love the color changing lip oil. I use it pretty much every day. So obviously I had to give this a try. I love, you know, trying things that are different, you know, just kind of out of the box. Sometimes, you know, in the makeup world, everything is just the same. You know, you just have the same stuff over and over again. Last thing. This, I didn't order it, but my husband did. It was right around my birthday. And so I forwarded my husband the link and I was like, here you go. Thanks, honey. I have not gotten a Jeffree Star Mystery Box in many moons. One of my Jeffree Star videos, you can see my little YouTube thing up there. I think it's got like 29,000 views or something on YouTube. It might be more now. I don't know, but I used to get them all the time. Saw they were doing a spring one and it was like $85, which is, you know, it's not like the cheapest in the world, but it's also not the most expensive because sometimes they would have some that were like, you know, close to $200 or something. Looked like a good deal. It's a big box. There's probably a mirror in there. I'll do a separate video on this guy. Make sure you follow and look for that video. That's it for today. Let me know which product you're most interested in seeing. Please follow for more makeup and beauty videos. My name's Amber Wood, Over 40 Makeup Mom. Bye!